Hello aking mga ka-YouTuber, this is Mami Alona. Don't forget to subscribe. I-share ko lang sa inyo yung aking lunch for today. Today, ito po yung shrimp with coconut milk. Kaya mo nyo guys, ito very simple. Simple lang itong lutuin. Ito ay coconut milk lang. Isote mo na siya sa garlic. Damihan mo garlic. And for health purpose, I'm using canola oil. And then after that, bawang lang talaga guys. At tapos pag tuyo ko na siya, lagyan ko na konting pampalasa, then paminta, and then after matuyo-tuyo siya, coconut milk. Ganun ka lang kasimple. I don't need to put my recipe. Just by listening, you can do this alone. And that's all for the day. Have a safe day everyone. Kasi guys, pa nagluluto ko ito, gusto ko yung, ayan guys, so yung nagmamantika, di ba? Nagmamantika kasi talagang ang sarap. Guys, sauce pa lang nito, pang ulam na. That's all.